Destroying Call of Juarez.
Piece of shit.
Does it have a light?
You sure you're experienced?
Does the microwave have a light?
It does, but on the inside.
Oh.
Listen to it.
Oh, smells so bad. Take it. Piece of shit. That disc is fucked up. Put it that way up for a minute. Toast the other side nice and warm. Wouldn't want them to still be alive. The game is just so bad. It's shittest.
Smells like shit, we need some air freshener.
Suck if you can.
Funny, man, not getting
Trollala. Smells like shit out.
It smells like dog shit. Nice and toasted.
Holy shit.
It's good fuck disc.
It's fucking melted. The microwave is cooling down.
Yeah, I know.
It's pretty cool, looks pretty cool.
I reckon, hey. Oh, it's burning my
It
hands.
smells like shit out. Well, this has been one Call of Juarez Bound in Blood Disc Destruction.
It only costed $20. Alright, now, fun bit. Cremation.
Cremation.
I don't know where to cremate it.
Pipe gun.
That's pretty funny.
Oh, it's raining. Oh, shit.
Leave it in the rain.
Yeah, let's go. The microwave's gonna be so fucked up. It's gonna be this fucked up disc to the max. Put it in the toaster. wrap it in foil first, in case it gets fucked up.
Yeah, right.
And fuck up your microwave.
It's not a fucking microwave.
Fuck it, the microwave.
Being microwaved.
Retarded. This is literally disc destruction. They've blocked it. And by the way, guys, this had disc burn, ring burn on the disc, so it was never gonna work anyway. We already tried to fix it, and it didn't work, so we're gonna fuck it up big time. Plug it in first.
Fell.
What's going on YouTube?
Not wrong.
Do you like your Call of Juarez fresh
Turned up high.
or toasted to high?
I hope the aluminium doesn't burn.
Yeah, we fucked up. And shit.
I'll just get ready to cancel in
Yeah.
case it fucks itself. Smells good.
Yeah, it actually does smell good.
I reckon, eh?
It smells like toast.
Smells like it does, eh? Oh, it's burning my eyebrows.
It's pretty hot.
It is, eh?
Oh.
Don't burn my iPod. Yeah, I know. Just like keep it
Put
away.
a firecracker
Just keep
on
it
it.
away from like the heat.
Yeah. Put a firecracker on it.
This is gonna be toasted. You have to leave it to cool. Listen to it. It's like you'll hear my mum pull up.
And then it'll be like, fuck! Run!
She'll be like, cancel switch off, put this in the drawer, run.
Unplug
It'll
it.
fling out of the toaster. It'll be like, oh.
Leave it in for like another minute and then take it out. See how dicked up.
Sounds like it's going alright. Smells toasty.
Smells pretty brown.
Smells yummy. Oh, yuck. Smells like piss on toast. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Bryce put an extra spring in it.
Is it hot?
Yes? No?
No, it's not. Let's unwrap this piece of shit and then go outside and stomp it. It blends in pretty good.
You know. It's pretty hot on the inside.
Toasty.
It's boiling.
Let's go stomp it. Just that crackle. Oh, shit. Let's stomp what's left. Wrap it up and stomp it.
Then I'll put it in the launcher.
Yeah.
Launch it over Canada.
Yeah.
Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy.
Oi, oi, oi.
Huh. Funny thing is, this game was set in Australia. Let the dog eat it.
Too bad I'm not
Actually
fully
smells like
Australian.
fish. It really smells like fish.
Yeah. Yeah, people probably come out and try.
Watch out for the...
Holy fuck.
Have a go.
Fucking shoulder. Oh. Now I have. There you go, Xbox Live. Piece of shit. Fuck you too. Alright.